Welcome to our tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at prioritising partners, and this is something that's coming up a lot at the moment in the current climate, is how do you go about prioritising your partners? So Jo, what are we doing when we're prioritising a partner?
Well, we're assessing whether a partner is fit for investment, basically. So that doesn't always mean money. It also means resource and time, which is really precious at the moment. So key success criteria are good relations and skills, the ability to create something that's differentiated and that the market will want to buy, and a partner that's got a like-minded culture and that are going to support you in the development of something with resource and or investment. So if these areas are not solid, then maybe that partner probably isn't worth your focus. And I think you need to be quite brutal about that.
And so why at the moment do you think it's important to spend time prioritising your partners, or actually I guess at any time, why is it important?
Well, I think the most common problem amongst partner marketers is bandwidth. So typically you're all looking after between 10 to 50 partners, and given that you're measured on success, you're going to want to invest your marketing funds into partners that are going to bring the very best return. So usually you will trust people in the sales teams to give you that guidance, but there's a lot softer measures that you could take into consideration, not just what the sales teams are giving you from a revenue point of view or who shouts the loudest.
Now, it sounds great. So what are some of these examples of some of these measures, and what's the benefits of taking them into consideration?
So measures can be split into two areas. The two areas are strategic fit and level of engagement. So for engagement, you may want to consider the stability of the team on the partner side and whether there are really good relations and a regular governance in place. Look at whether there's a joint business plan and a marketing team, plus a team to deliver it, which is really important. Are there accrued funds and a defined joint offer? Plus consider whether revenue is growing with that partner and whether there's an opportunity to pull through more of your services. For engagement, look at whether you have a strategic differentiated proposition. Ensure that you're on portfolio, that's also really important, and the sales team can sell your solution, whether you have joint customers and whether you have things planned that you want to sell in the future. Revenue is a good starting point, but when you're looking at prioritising your focus, these softer measures can really make or break whether you decide to invest your marketing investment in that partner.
Wonderful. And what's the risk of not doing this?
Well, I think you're simply going to burn loads of cash and loads of effort and not get any return from the partner. But also, I'm not sure it's going to do an awful lot for your reputation within your team and with your partner.
Yeah, absolutely. So what are some tactics that you could use to market to a partner to capture their attention and mind share?
I think you need to be bold, channeled marketers. You need to be bold with your sales team. So look at some of these softer measures and take these into account before you commit your budget, time and energy. And I think it will earn you respect and keep you focused on doing a few things and doing them really well.
Yeah, absolutely. I think also, being bold, again, be clear with your stakeholders that you're measured on results as well, and that marketing development fund is real money. And I think it's always a good gauge to see if they're willing to put their money into it as well.
Yeah, and go and make friends. Get to know your marketing counterparts within your partner base. You'll be surprised the amount of customers that we've got that haven't got those relationships, and good relations are going to make life so much easier and will give you a benchmark as to whether there really is the intent to grow something for the both of you.
Wonderful. Thanks, Jo.
Thank you very much, everyone.